Unit time, science, social studies, and health. In science, students will engage in observation, investigation, discussion, and hands-on learning activities using the research-based Mystery Science curriculum. In first grade, we will learn about plant and animal superpowers, lights and sounds, and spinning sky. Students will also have an engineering unit. Notebooks will be used to record students' thoughts, solutions, and experiment findings. In social studies, Pearson's My World curriculum is used. The focus is on 4 main social studies disciplines: citizenship and government, economics, geography, and history. Students will participate in discussions and hands-on activities along with showing classroom citizenship. Wayzata has adopted 2 health curricula, Second Step by the Committee for Children and Health and Wellness by McGraw-Hill. Learning to manage strong emotions is an important skill for students to develop. The Second Step curriculum helps students develop self-advocacy skills, empathy and emotion management, along with friendship and problem-solving skills. Other topics we cover in the Health and Wellness curriculum include families, growth and nutrition, personal health and safety, drugs and disease prevention, and community and environmental health.